Hello video creators. Welcome to HitPaw channel. We would like to tell you that we have upgraded our online video cutter. You can now cut and trim video clips in a browser without downloading or installing any programs. This can be handy for simple video trimming. In this video, we will introduce you how to use the online video cutter. If this video helps, don't forget to give us a like and hit the subscribe button. This will be a great help for our channel. Now, let's get started. Open a browser, and go to HitPaw's website. You can find the link in the description. Then find Online Tools and click it. Below are some useful media online tools you can play with. We are going to use the first one today, the online video cutter. Select Cut Video, and cut video now. Then you can open your own video clips here. We have prepared a footage. Open it. Now we can preview the video by clicking the play button. Below is the timeline. This is where we can cut the video. Here is a watermark of HitPaw, but no worries. We can log in to remove the watermark for free. If you do not have a free HitPaw account yet, you may register one and log in again. Also, it is completely free to export 6 videos under 200 megabytes without watermark every day. If you want to export more videos, you may upgrade your account to remove the limits. After logging in, the watermark is removed. And when we drag the timeline to the middle, you can see that the camera is very shaky, and we are gonna cut this part. See these 2 edges? We can drag them to reduce the video length like this. The blue area means the part we don't need, and it will be trimmed. Usually we won't just cut one part of a video. If we want to remove a part from the middle, just locate the timeline to a frame. The scale button can help you locate a precise frame. Then click the plus button here. We can see a new area appears. We can drag the edge to adjust the part we want to cut. If we make a mistake, just click the undo and redo button to bring it back. We can also click here to cancel the selection. After adjusting, click the play button to preview. When everything is okay to you, click export and wait for the rendering. After rendering, we can preview the video here. And download it to local files. Alright, this is how you can cut and trim video clips with HitPaw Online Video Cutter. Hope this video helps. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe us. It will be a great help for our channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.